During the COVID-19 pandemic, many medical offices and outpatient clinics are closed, and people do not have access to in-person visits with their doctors and healthcare providers. This makes telemedicine more important than ever. However, telemedicine may be difficult for many to navigate due to inexperience with technology. Hence, our organization, Youths Who Care, created this YouTube tutorial with hopes to alleviate that barrier. This tutorial will help patients understand how to use Doxy.me, one of the more popular telemedicine platforms used by doctors.
Hello everybody, my name is Nicholas from Youths Who Care, and I will be helping you with Doxy.me. Doxy.me is an internet tool used for telemedicine. So first off, you'll need a link to your appointment. My doctor has emailed me the link. So let's copy this. Copy this. Hit copy. Now go to your search bar and paste it in. Hit enter. And now you'll be here at the welcome page. Now it's very important that you put in the patient's first and last name. If the patient is a child, then put the name of that child. So my name is Nick Lee. Now hit check-in. And now it's very important that you hit enable camera. You'll get a notification that will prompt you to give access to your microphone and camera. Hit allow. And now the camera is on and you can see me. Give it a moment to check in. There you go.